Hi everybody and welcome back to Visit FYLDE Coast. We're still in St Annes in this video and we're on the seafront on the long promenade road. So down there, if you carry right on down there, you come to St Annes Pier and amusements and the seaside bit. And if you portal just a little bit further down there, just beyond the sort of flatter sand dunes is where Fairhaven Lake is. Oh, and I've just noticed there's a really clear view across the estuary. Shush! This noisy thing up here. It's telling a right tale. It's a black-headed gull, I think. You've got a really clear view today across the estuary to Southport. That is really clear. Given the fact that it's not cold, but it's a little bit grey hazy. And while I've got the camera zoomed in across the top of the car park, you can just see the beach. We're going to go and investigate the beach in a minute because we're going to go and take a look at these lovely seafront gardens at St Annes. I've been doing various jobs this morning. So I've just actually had my lunch here at the beach cafe. And I've had a toasted tuna mayonnaise sandwich, a cappuccino, and a little dish, a little single scoop dish of, I think it was caramel crunch ice cream, and you know, it was absolutely delicious. I've really enjoyed that. That was a really nice lunch. I thought I'd be civilised and ladylike, and I would go and sit down and have something nice to eat today. So I've really enjoyed that. First time in and nice experience, so I'll give that a plug. So these are the lovely seafront gardens at St Annes. Now these seem to go on forever because they stretch all the way along from kind of the cafe all the way around to the pier area. And so there's all these little footpaths and kind of steps and bridges and waterfalls and things. And I think actually as we come round this little curvy footpath, we might actually come to, well, certainly a good view, but we might actually come to one of the waterfalls, or maybe that might be a little bit further up. So that's the little train. That's the little train that they've been talking about with the sea defences. And I believe that they've found an alternative, well, they're going to find an alternative place to put that when they rebuild the sea wall down there adjacent to the beach huts, which you can see in the background. So that's the lovely, huge, enormous beach at St Annes. And of course that's the estuary of the River Ribble, which is why you can see Southport over the other side. So these are the gardens, look, and we're going to go down there now and we're going to go and take a look at these little pondy lakey gardens because they're ever so pretty. They're really nice. And as you can see, these kids, it's a lovely place for children to have a run round and run their energy off. That's down to the seafront at St Annes. We might even go and take a look round there in a moment as well. And then the little waterfall garden things are here with this great big grotto thing. Now this is all artificial rock, and there's an article on our Live Blackpool website about this that was used on the seafront at Blackpool at North Shore, sort of. Ooh. Now then, I've just seen a bubble. Does that mean that there are fish, I wonder? I wonder if there are some fish. And it's called Pulhamite. And it was made by a landscaping firm who specialised in it and did it in ornamental gardens all over the country. And actually further up on St Annes seafront there is a information board that that sort of tells you how it was made and how it was installed and whatnot. And I believe this is actually known as the Grotto. You can see why, can't you? It's lovely. It's really pretty. And of course, me being me, of course, it's the ducks and all the wildlife that draw my attention. Oh, he's got a bit of an evil face, hasn't he? Look at that for an eye. There's a little moorhen there, look. So there's loads of little lovely animals. But it's really nice. They've got a secluded, safe little island in the middle. This duck looks like he's on the want for food. And this little garden kind of carries on and on and on and on. I can only wonder how much maintenance it takes. We've got a fish pond, and that's bad enough. So you've got to take your hat off. Look at this little pigeon. Oh, little cutie. He's having a nap. You've got to take your hat off to the gardeners at FYLDE Council for looking after it so well, because it is really nicely maintained. Look at that one. Bottoms up. Bottoms up. There you go. So I think if I lived in St Annes, this would be a regular haunt of mine. I like these white ones, these Jemima puddle ducks, aren't they pretty? Oh, now then, chasey, chasey. Chasey, chasey. So it kind of goes on and on and on and on. I don't know whether you can get round here. I think the grass is making my nose run. Yes, you can. So there's a little footbridge. And it sort of carries on, so you can obviously go over the top. And then it carries on, and then on the left, at the other side of the gardens, it comes out onto the beach, onto the seafront. I think there's fish in there, you know. There's little air bubbles. So we'll walk round the back and we'll go onto the seafront. So you can park along the seafront at St Annes, and it's free parking down the seafront and promenade. Most of all these buildings are some residential, but most of them are hotels and apartments and holiday accommodation. And of course it's full of wildlife, which I suppose is probably not what most people come on holiday to look at. That's a very artistic tree, isn't it? That looks like it needs to be in a artistically posed photograph. But me being me, you see, when I come on holiday for the seaside vibe, I also like to look at the wildlife while I'm at it. And then you come out onto the seafront at St Annes. Beach huts in front of you and all the kids' amusements, etc, etc. And then the gardens continue to the left. So we'll go this way. And down here there's a pitch and putt. Oh, there you go, there's the flags. I didn't realise we were so near to it. There's a pitch and putt golf course. And then further up towards the pier is where that red tiled roof is. That's the roof of the pier building. Is the public toilets and other ornamental gardens and various different things. So I hope you've enjoyed this little look round the grotto and waterfall areas of St Annes Seafront. Don't forget to make sure that you've hit the subscribe button and you've got that little bell clicked for notifications, and then when we go off exploring and looking at other different things, you'll be able to join us on our travels. And don't forget to give this video a like. We'll see you later. Bye for now.